Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, July 11th, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports. Daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. Just a reminder that about a week ago, a little over a week ago actually, we closed above the 207.92 descending channel top. This is a one-year formation. This is a weekly chart after all, that then set up, and it still maintains a 3 to 5 month objective at 327.03. We might see 327.03 sooner than that over the next couple, 2-3 months above 239.74. That is a rising channel top. We also closed above last week. It is part of a range, really, on the daily chart that we can show here at 239.74. So you can see well below in the far right, 239.74, the beginning of a range down to 237.98 that, if tested over the next week or two, can contain selling through the following week, possibly into later August, and above which a secondary buying pressures remain firmly intact. That longer-term objective at 327.03, not out of the question the timing of that is difficult, but I'm going to say over the next 2 to 3 months, predictably, and it could be even sooner. It depends on if we take out some meaningful resistance levels on the way up. These show kind of our areas that are important. Today, to the upside, 265.13. That is that December high from last year, and that was a meaningful high. It was a high that was a key reversal high, and we fell away for the balance, so this is a good pivot point. 265.13 has contained buying pressures roughly for the last couple of days. Downside today, our downward pivot point is 257.86, and I just have as an intraday support. I don't encourage you to buy it. Well, how should I put this? It can contain intraday selling, but after testing 265.13, I wouldn't be surprised for this market to fall back perhaps into the upper 230s by the end of next week. And so I want to keep it a little light here in terms of encouraging, or I don't want to encourage overbuying 257.86. Certainly a solid support level, but if we close below, let's put it this way, if we break 257.86 today, we've got a good high for the day. And if we close below 257.86, we have a good high for the week. And over the next 3 to 5 days or sooner, we should fall back into this meaningful support area, 237.98 to 239.74, able to contain selling through next week, possibly through the month of August, and above which bullish momentum remains firmly intact over the bigger picture. That is to say, through the rest of the third quarter, because not only are we above 239.74, but as I mentioned earlier, we have a longer-term buy signal above 207.92. Anticipating 327.03 over the next 3 to 5 months. Let's take a look at this chart again. Sorry, wrong chart. Pushing through 265.13, we did so actually on Wednesday. We did not reach 268.94, the next minor point. We got up to 267.59, but there is the possibility for reaching 278.98 intraday, although it's not likely. Volatility has restrained just a bit, contracted just a bit over the last 3 or 4 days. And what I will say is a settlement today above 265.13 would signal 278.98 within a few days, 2 to 3 days. So you swing traders, can you sell 265.13? Yes, you can, but that is a counter trend move, and only under the 3 to 5 days trading time frame would I encourage a short sale. Certainly under the day trade as well, but over the 2 to 3 weeks, no, I think over the 2 to 3 week time frame, we're still expecting this kind of 289.52 resistance area. And so closing today above 265.13, 278.98 within 2 to 3 days, we could certainly top out there. Closing above 278.98, 289.52 likely within several more days where we can top out on a weekly basis. So, how you treat each of these levels has everything to do with whether you're a day trader, a 3 to 5 day swing trader, a 2 to 3, 3 to 5 week swing trader. You're looking for an opportunity to buy the upper 230s. If we close above 265.13, I think 2 to 3 week swing traders, if you're not positioned already, can go long. We're going to have trouble at 278.98, but given the buy signals that have occurred over the last week, I see just kind of a day or two of hesitation at 278.98. I do see that a settlement above 265.13 should yield 289.52 within 1 to 2 weeks, where we can top out on a weekly basis. And if we were to close above 289.52, that would also be, there's your line here. We do have a bid at 299 in the 299 handle. That is the July high. We may raise our weekly resistance as the market continues to move higher. We may raise our 3-star weekly resistance into the 299 handle. We'll just kind of see how things play out. But I don't want to blur the 327.03 longer term objective. So if you are long the market now and you're a 3 to 5 month position trader, you're holding out for 327.03. Until then, we do have decent 2 to 3 week, 3 to 5 week opportunities, but either A, buying 239.74, or B, a settlement above 265.13. That is the way I would like to frame the 2 to 3, 3 to 5 week time frame. We're already bullish as we move through August trade above 239.74. The question is whether the market is going to give you the opportunity to buy it. Holding below 265.13 does allow that. And if we close today below 257.86, and that is yesterday's low, we should see 239.74 within 3 to 5 days. So 3 to 5 day swing traders, if you're inclined to short the market, that's either 265.13 or a settlement below 257.86. Then anticipating 239.74. But I don't have a clear indication for retesting 239.74. I do think that emerges with a settlement today below 257.86. Until then, it is really all systems go to the upside. And if you're not long already, you can do so with a settlement today above 265.13, 278.98, then likely within a couple of days, 289.52 by the end of next week. I think I've said it all. We did put out a stock pick this week on Rivian Automotive. You might want to check that out on wickedstocks.com. We also have daily Triple Q and SPY analysis. I will mention, if we're talking Triple Q, that we pushed through this long-term channel top on Wednesday. We've yet to close the week above it. We need to do so by a 1% margin. You can see all those clear-cut levels if you subscribe to wickedstocks.com, where we offer a 5-day free trial up front. If you want to take a look at everything we have, including our weekly stock picks, you can. And if you're uncomfortable with holding a subscription, you can bow out within 5 days at no cost to you whatsoever. I'm going to leave it at that for Thursday's Daily Tesla Report. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Fridays. You have a great day.